wow. Turns out we actually didn't need a life jacket. All we need was this. Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Hey, Mom. Mom, guess where we can fit them without the life jacket?
What?
The blue circle that we have, the life.
Oh, the life-saving ring?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, that fits them.
It's about that many.
Diameter.
Yeah. He looks so cute with it's cool. Well, it's cool, but not as cold as it was the other day.
Hi.
Hi. Doesn't need both. He's getting choked. Come here, Michael. No, not. No! Don't hit me! No! No!
Get him, Michael.
No, that's John. When I say that, I didn't do an egg.
No, it's in Mike and Kane.
Alright, what's the